Welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. I'm Deanna, and welcome to the October 2020 giveaway. This month we have, I think, our best giveaway yet. We are celebrating the introduction of the artist Nancy Thomas, her designs into the Ribbon Candy Hooking shop. We have so far over 120 of her paintings listed as patterns. If you would like them as kits, always let me know. But over 120 patterns now available at Ribbon Candy Hooking. And to celebrate this event, because I love Nancy Thomas, I love all of her work, and I'm so happy that I'm able to hook it right now and that other people are starting to become aware and hook and enjoy the same designs. We're celebrating this month with this pattern called The Weight. This is hooked by me, but your pattern will come on monk's cloth or linen, you can tell me which, and it will be 12 by 16. This one I hooked a little bit smaller. I was just checking out the colors and experimenting with it, but I think this for October is such an evocative, beautiful, whimsical pattern. And this is from Nancy. Did a lot of designs with months, a lot of month series, like her Nature Month series and her Children's Month series. And this is from the Children's Month series with the two kids in costume in the pumpkin patch. So fitting for October. So if you would like to win this pattern, again, you'll tell me whether you want it on monk's cloth or linen. It's 12 by 16. If you would like to enter on this thread where you're watching the video, make a comment and I will issue you a number. And on Wednesday, what's it going to be? I'll put it in the ad. This coming Wednesday, I want to say the 14th, I will announce the winner during coffee time. And if you don't watch coffee time or you're at work during that time, I will contact you directly. So don't worry, the winner will be contacted. Just leave a comment on this thread if you would like to win the pattern for Nancy Thomas's The Weight October giveaway. Good luck, everybody.